Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
This is on me. Robinhood CEO to lay off 23% of staff after key Q2 loss. The online retail broker blamed the economy for a decline in user numbers and net revenue that fell 44% year-on-year, although revenue from crypto rose moderately this quarter. Online brokerage firm Robinhood will lay off nearly a quarter of its employees, citing a continued deterioration of the macro environment and a broad crypto market crash. The big news came in a Tuesday blog post from co-founder and CEO Vlad Tenev. On the same day, the firm released tepid Q2 financial results, and the New York State Department of Financial Services announced a $30 million fine for the company's crypto branch due to alleged anti-money laundering, cybersecurity, and consumer protection violations. Tenef wrote the layoffs would impact all functions in the company, particularly operations, marketing, and program management, with around 23% of the staff let go. The Financial Times estimated the number of employees impacted to be around 780. Robinhood laid off 9% of its staff earlier this year, but Tenef said the cuts didn't go far enough. He pointed to economic conditions and the collapse of the crypto market as factors in a move, stating, "This has further reduced customer trading activity and assets under custody." In addition, the company had wrongly assumed the high net engagement seen during the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic would continue. Tanef wrote, "As CEO, I approved and took responsibility for our ambitious staffing trajectory. This is on me." The company issued its quarterly financial results a day earlier than scheduled. Results were disheartening, with $318 million in net revenue, down 44% year-on-year, although up to 6% over the last quarter. Net loss was $295 million, narrowed from a net loss of $502 million in Q2 2021. Monthly active users were down 1.9 million from last quarter to 14.0 million in June, and assets under custody dropped 31% to $64.2 billion in that time. Revenue from cryptocurrency rose 7% quarter-on-quarter to $58 million. However, Robinhood enjoyed a significant spike in share price in May after FTX founder and COO Sam Bankman-Fried paid $650 million for a 7.6% stake in the company. Share prices fell more than 4% Tuesday in after-hours trading, according to the Financial Times. This is on me. Robinhood CEO to lay off 23% of staff after Q2 loss. The online retail broker blamed the economy for a decline in user numbers and net revenue that fell 44% year-on-year, although revenue from crypto rose moderately this quarter. Online brokerage firm Robinhood will lay off nearly a quarter of its employees, citing a continued deterioration of the macro environment and a broad crypto market crash. The bad news came in a Tuesday blog post from co-founder and CEO Vlad Tenev. On the same day, the firm released tepid Q2 financial results, and the New York State Department of Financial Services announced a $30 million fine for the company's crypto branch due to alleged anti-money laundering, cybersecurity, and consumer protection violations. Tenev wrote that the layoffs would impact all functions in the company, particularly operations. Marketing and program management is around 23% of the staff let go. The Financial Times estimated the number of employees impacted to be around 780.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.